To download the Wallstreet Forex robot from MyfxBots.com, visit the website and locate the download link for the software. Click on the link to begin the download process. Once the file is downloaded, locate it on your computer and proceed with the installation. To install the Wallstreet Forex robot on the MetaTrader platform using the installer file, simply run the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to select the correct MetaTrader platform version during the installation process. Once the installation is complete, the robot will be available in your MetaTrader platform for use. Alternatively, to install the Wallstreet Forex robot on the MetaTrader platform manually, first download the robot files. Then, navigate to the Experts folder in your MetaTrader platform directory and copy the robot files into this folder. Restart MetaTrader to enable the robot on the platform. The Wallstreet Forex robot is profitable for both beginner and experienced Forex traders due to its advanced algorithms and strategies that can analyze market trends and make profitable trades. Beginners can benefit from its automated trading feature, which eliminates the need for in-depth market knowledge. Experienced traders can customize settings and optimize the robot's performance. Trading foreign exchange on margin carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. It is important to understand the risks involved, including the potential for significant financial losses.